I burned my tongue. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I hope we're all having a great day. The main reason I wanted to film this video is to try out the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I wanted to try it first on camera and it's been like 3 days or 4, maybe more, that they sent all of the shades. They have 40 shades, which is incredible. I love that. So I'm really excited to try it out for the first time in front of you guys. And I'm not so good at shade matching. Trust me, I tried doing that with my cousin and my sister-in-law and my sister. I'm so bad at that. So I hope this one works for me. If not, then we're good. I have other shades that I can just mix and match. And as you all, well, not all, some of you might know, is that I get very oily around my nose. This says the foundation minimizes pores, controls the shine, and feels comfortable on your skin for up to 12 hours. And we will put that to the test. But I also wanted to show you how I created this eye look because I fell in love with it. So if you guys would like to see everything, then just keep on watching. As always, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender, get some on this side, and then kind of take some off on a different part of my hand and start applying it. I'm not too sure if this is my shade. It's looking kind of ashy on my face. Anyway, I'm going to continue putting it all over my face, and I don't want to put a primer. They did send 4 different primers, but I didn't want to put anything under this because I wanted to see how the foundation works by itself. I think this might be a good shade for me. What do you guys think? M10? Should I mix it in? I don't know. I'm just going to leave it like that. And I don't think this is full coverage. I think it's more of a medium coverage, which is fine. I don't like wearing anything that's too heavy. Now I'm going to apply the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And I'll be blending that out with the same Beauty Blender. And every time I blend out foundation or concealer or any creams on my face, I always use the Beauty Blender damp. Then I'm taking this other smaller Beauty Blender and setting my eyes using the e.l.f. Cosmetics translucent powder. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder and the Real Techniques powder brush. For this video, I'm going to skip the whole bronzer, blush, and highlight part, and the eyebrows. I'm just going to move on to my eyes. Let me do all that first, and I'll be back. Okay, so first, as always, I'm going to prime my eyelids using this concealer from L'Oreal. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid and blend it out with this very tiny beauty blender. I think it's from their All About Face kit, and it works perfect to blend out the concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to set it with the same e.l.f. Cosmetics translucent powder using the Coastal Scents brush. I'm going to start by applying this Urban Decay Relish eyeshadow all over my crease using the BH Cosmetics brush. When I do smoky eyes like this, I always start literally by applying it right on my crease. It helps if I open my eyes and just keep going back and forth from the inner corner right here all the way to the outer corner. And then once I have that there, before I start blending it out with a different brush, I just start blending it out with the same one, going in circles very lightly. And then I'm going to use a different brush, and I'm using the Morphe R37 brush, and I'm just blending it out better. This next step isn't that necessary. I don't really know why I do it, but I just like doing it. I'm just going to take the same eyeshadow and take it down to the eyelid. Then again, I'm going to take the L'Oreal concealer and put that all over my eyelid. And you can see that I'm not starting with a lot of concealer. Well, this is all the concealer I'm going to apply. And I'm going to start putting it right above my lash line. And just little by little start going up. But I'm going to keep blending by going down like this. I feel like this is the easiest way if you don't want a very harsh line or like a cut crease. Then I'm going to take this Pop Beauty Pure Pigment in Metallic Copper, and that's the one I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. And I'm using the Anastasia A2 brush. You're obviously going to get a lot of fallout because it's loose pigment. But yeah, this is so gorgeous. I'm going to stop right there, and obviously that does not look cute because it's not blended. So I'm going to take the same BH Cosmetics brush and just start blending that out. And then just one last time, I'm going to use the Morphe blending brush to make sure everything is nice and blended. The eyelashes that I'm wearing are the Eylure 126 lashes, which are my favorite drugstore eyelashes. And now for my waterline, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Torch. Alright, and now the last thing is to apply the mascara on my lower lashes. I'm using the Maybelline mascara. I forgot the name of this. The Colossal or something. As always, I will have all of the products in the description box. And that is it for the eye look. And I decided not to skip the highlight because I'm going to use the new Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. I had to make sure I got the name right. But yes, this one is so gorgeous. It's a bit too glittery for my liking, but the shades are gorgeous. I think I'm going to use Wish, and it's so pigmented. So I will be applying that with their A23 brush. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I'm also going to put some on my forehead. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and click that bell button so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Let me know in the comments down below what you like to see next, and if you have tried this foundation, let me know what you think of it, if you like it, if you don't. I do like the coverage. It's lightweight. We'll see if it lasts 12 hours. I will let you guys know about that in the comments below. But yes, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.